So hello guys, right, I'm going to cover some pendulum moves in this. We've got this one, and we've also got this one. Okay, so they're all pendulums, okay? Pendulums is like, you know, it's like hypnotic stuff. So, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Okay, we're going to get right into the move right now. So, first of all, we're going to start off with this version here, which is a little bit more basic than the other ones. So, right, what you need to do, okay, is you need to have your, say you're using your right hand with this, you've got the stick, with your palm down, okay? You're going to put your palm down on this side, and you're going to bring this stick up to this hand. From here then, what you need to do is this hand needs to go over in this direction, okay? So you're almost making an X with your hand. From there, this is going to slide underneath, like so. So you've got this pendulum, it's going side to side. From here, you're going to let this top hand go, and bring this over here, and you're going to grab it here. And then start off to go the other side, we're going to do the complete opposite. So this hand needs to go underneath this X. So we need to make an X with our hand like this, hand underneath our right hand. So boom. From here then, we got over here. So we uncross our arms. So this one at the bottom, you want to slide out underneath. So palms facing down. This hand's going to go from palm facing down to palm facing up. And then you're going to cross it again, until you can get this going. Right, so I hope that helps you out. So we're going to get into the next move right now. So this is going to be upwards version. Which looks like that. So this one can be a little bit more difficult, but I'm going to break it down the best I can. So we're going to get right into the move right now. So first of all, what I need you to do is I need you to almost have your hand, so it's down in a booing, so like boo, yeah? That is very, very important, right? Your palms facing forward, okay? With this hand, your palms facing down, and then you're going to bring it, so your palms facing forward, this hand here, and this hand here. So both hands are palm facing forward. From here, you're going to palm grasp this chuck as you bring this hand up and grab it like so. From here now, this hand here, you're going to move from the bottom to the top. And this one feels a little bit awkward, you see, because obviously we switched hands, but this thumb still pointing down, and we're going to go and turn a hand like this, okay, as we're bringing it up. Okay, so we're going from here, boom, yeah, and that's going to cause this upwards motion, so you can grab it with your palm forward. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing. Let this bottom one go. Point our palm, so our thumb's facing down, palm grasps the chuck. Do exactly the same here. Boom, boom, boom. So until you can get it like this, okay? So remember, always palm forward. Always palm forward, yes? So I hope that helps you out as well. So the last and final version is this. So if you notice, our palms are now facing down. And this all happens underneath, so the pendulum happens underneath here, okay? So we're going to go here. So we're going to start off, we're going to face in this direction here, palm facing down with our thumb facing in towards our body this time. So instead of having it face down with this move, yeah, we're going to have it pointing in towards our body. From there, we're going to go boom, and we're going to palm grasp this chuck. Now, see, the thing that needs to happen here now, this hand needs to go over the top, and you're going to need to turn your thumb from facing you to facing the wall over here. As you can see, my thumb is now facing this wall here, and that is going to be how you're going to exchange it here. So now, from now, the palm that's closest to you, or the hand that's closest to you, you're going to let go, and you're going to stick this in front like so. Remember, thumb facing towards your body. And you're going to do this motion here. Boom. Yes, so watch again. A little bit closer. Boom. Boom. Yes. So we go here. From there, we're going to let this one fall. And we're going to pass here. Until you can get this motion here. Okay. So all these pendulums, okay, I'd rate them. Some of them are basic, but first one is more beginner to intermediate, as I say, as you go through them. This one's a little bit more difficult because it's a little bit more awkward to get this catch here, you know, because you almost need to, you're going to miss it a few times, you know, learning this. But it's the same as this one as well. But always remember, palm forward. Yeah? So I hope this content helps you out. I'm not going to bother editing this, you know. Please remember to check out my group, man. I've got a group up on Facebook, absolutely amazing, like, so be sure to check that out. I'll leave that in the link in the description below. If you're finding any of this beneficial, or if you want any custom tutorials, whether you want finger rolls, wrist rolls, you know, I can cover it for you. You know, there's lots and lots of things that I know, so please do get in touch with me either on Facebook or through this, you know, YouTube. But yeah, thanks for the support, guys, and I'll see you next week, where I'll be doing rope dart tutorials. Hoorah!